Here we go on a ride along. It's a very small dent, like it's very small. Black Ops Special Edition truck. It's pretty cool. It's dirty. He warned me ahead of time. He's kind of embarrassed to have it on film, but he's gonna do it anyway. Let's go check it out. Special vehicle. Here we got a F-150 Lariat Special Edition Black Ops by Tuscany. Got a little tiny dent in the back, but there's not a dent on this truck. So we're gonna keep it dentless by taking that one out right there. Look at this thing. This thing's sweet. He actually outdid me, better than my truck. So here's me working really fast in a speeded up version. And there's the owner of the truck, Tim, that was him, checking me out, looking over my shoulder. I had to mess with my tips on my tools a lot on this one, just to make sure that I had the right padding and tape on there. I just wanted to make sure that it was protected and not slipping at all. We are all finished with that little body line ding. Let's see if I can roll this through. It was right in here somewhere.
What's going on? How you doing, man? Good. Getting a little dent out. Oh, that's all right. Cool, man. Yeah. You got any dents?
It's tough to see.
Any little dings or anything yet?
Really tough to see. Let's see if I can zoom it in. It was over there.
Good, man. You just walked in. Yeah.
Here we go. Flawless repair.